What's up, guys? Lock and Crawl here. I'm here on Apache Trail, just reopened. This trail has been closed for a few years now, and the state spent, I don't remember, I think it was like $4 or $5 million to clear this trail up. There was a major rock slide that took place, and this trail has been closed that whole time. And it's a bummer. I mean, we didn't have access to this trail. They were questioning if they should reopen it, but just recently it reopened, and we're back out here. And I had to come check it out. It's on a Monday. There's nobody here, actually. Fairly, not too bad. I mean, right now, I've got this whole trail by ourselves. Nobody's out here, but there's been a few vehicles that have came down. But check it out. I'm going to walk you through some of these areas. I just came down from the trail. I'll throw you some drone footage. That way you get a feel for what this trail's all about. And yeah, if you guys decide to come out here, just be careful. They did clean up the trail pretty good. They expanded it a little bit from what I remember. We used to come out here all the time, down from the East Valley, drive our boat through with the trailer through here all the way to Roosevelt Lake. And those that you aren't familiar, if you come out to Canyon Lake and you continue through Tortilla Flats, you'll hit Apache Trail eventually. It turns into a dirt road. There's signs out there that says no trailers, and I'm sure it's probably for safety. But in reality, on how smooth this trail is now, you'll be fine. However, on our way in, because they just recently opened it, there was actually a police officer that was up there. I'm sure probably just to make sure nobody comes up with trailers, or comes down with trailers, I should say. If you continue through Apache Trail, it connects to Apache Lake. And if you continue through, it takes you all the way to Roosevelt Dam, which then takes you to Roosevelt Lake. It's a great trail. I want to say it's about maybe less than 18 miles, roughly. Don't quote me on that. I'm just guessing. But yeah, let me kind of give you an idea as to where we're at. This is actually the first bridge that takes you down here, and kind of walk you through as to what's this little area. It's a cool little spot to stop at. Right now it's dry, but when the water's flowing after monsoons, this is a cool area to, some people come down here, picnic and hang out. But some of the cool little areas to explore, I'm going to kind of walk you through, check it out. If you're up for a little hiking, a little adventure, this is a cool little spot to come out here and hang out. There's a little spot over there, there's a little fire pit. It's like a cave. You do have to go for a little hike to get up there, but that's a very cool little area. If you do come up here, make sure you're careful. There could be some rattlesnakes up here, especially early in the morning and late at night. You come this way to the left. I came by here a little earlier, so I already checked for rattlesnakes. Oh God. Look at that. Isn't that dope? So dope. Fire pit. Come hang out as the sun sets. You got a little bench here for yourself. So I'm a little winded. Look at that view. Are you kidding me right now? Yeah. Oh, yeah, I love this. This is what I live for, guys. Right here. Yeah. It's the best. Doing this in one take. So, I just showed you one way of how to get here. Get up to this area. Earlier, I came down through here, which is a tight squeeze, but it's doable. And this is the way we came in, right here. So if you guys decide to come back out here and check this out, just know that you got options depending on your adventurous spirit. There you go. And I did have to, first time I came up here, I really did have to figure this out. And as you walk up here, make sure to make noise. As I mentioned, there could be rattlesnakes. Go this way. Throw rocks every so often. Make noise before you step into areas in the summertime. Today, in the Phoenix area, it's about 105. But here in this area right now, it's in the 90s. It's not bad. But what you want to do, for example, let's say I just got here and look at that area. It looks pretty shaded. I'll grab a rock. Just kind of make noise. Throw rocks. Kind of make sure that you don't hear any sound. If there's a rattlesnake around, it will definitely warn you. Don't get close to it. If you do hear one, just back off and come back. I wouldn't risk it. It's not worth it. They are more scared of you than you are of them. However, if you do get bit by one, you put yourself in a really bad position. Closest hospital to here is probably going to be Apache Junction, which is about 20 miles away. And yeah, that's not going to be a good time. So, you guys, if you decide to do this, be careful. Cool area out there. Obviously, when those monsoons come through, you get a lot of water down here. It's pretty cool. And there's the bridge. It's not too bad. Walked you guys up and down. I'm going to show you another spot that's kind of cool. Some kids have came out here and graffitied, but I think it's kind of cool. It's a cool little spot. I'll show you right now. As I mentioned, I'm doing this all in one take. You guys take it as you want, but I'm gonna walk you through it. So if you do come out here, this is pretty much live. So I'm walking up here up on the trail. Over to the right, you continue through and you'll hit Apache Lake eventually. Up to the left here is on your way down, coming down Apache Trail. Cool little spot to explore down here. I hear a vehicle coming, so let's get going. Come down here. Sorry. Check this out. Cool little spot. Let's check that out. Heck yeah. There's the bridge. Again, beautiful views. Super dope. Yeah. All right. I don't know. This might not be for everybody, but I think it's pretty neat. It's kind of cool. All right, here we go. All right. Well, hope you guys enjoyed this. I'll give you guys some drone footage so you guys can check it out, see what you think. Yeah, if you guys like this kind of stuff, follow me, man. Subscribe, share, comment, like. All right, here you go.
You got me.